Hello friends, here I am again in my channel Simple Fab Cooking. Today is a very interesting recipe and a non-veg item, a chicken item. It is very easy, very tasty, delicious, quick, and it will be done in just very less time. So let's see the ingredients, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So the chicken is chicken kosha. Kosha means it will be a dry chicken preparation. Moreover, I am not adding any onion today. So let's see the ingredients first. This is chicken with bone pieces. I have marinated it with curd, sour curd, salt, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, and little chili powder, little dhania powder, like 1 teaspoon dhania powder, half teaspoon chili powder, turmeric and salt as per taste. While cooking, I will be adding very little salt, like it is already marinated with salt. And while marinating, I also added just 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. I am preparing this whole recipe in mustard oil. So while marinating, I have put 1 tablespoon mustard oil, and I have kept it for more than 5 hours. Like if you keep it like whole night, if you are going to prepare it in the morning, to day before you can marinate it and do refrigerate, not in the freezer, only in the refrigerator. And before cooking, take it out, like before cooking, take it out about half an hour before cooking, so that it comes to a normal temperature, almost normal temperature. So if you don't have overnight time, keep it marinated for more than 5 hours, because in that way the chicken pieces gets to like tender, becomes little tender, and the cooking process is faster, and also the masala gets into the pieces, chicken pieces, so it is more tasty and juicy also. So keep it marinated, and let's see other ingredients. This is green chili paste. This is red dry chili paste with little turmeric. This is boiled potato. You can add, this is optional. You can add, you cannot add. If you wish to add, you can add. I am adding. This is boiled potato. This is garam masala powder. These are whole garam masala, cinnamon, clove and cardamom and bay leaf. So I am not using onion in this preparation, and I have marinated the chicken in ginger garlic paste. That is it. So let's start the preparation. First I am adding the bay leaves. Then I am adding all the whole garam masala, that is cinnamon, cardamom and clove. I am preparing this in mustard oil. For non-veg preparation, it is like mandatory for the Bengalis to use mustard oil. It gives that a very pungent and strong flavor. While eating, you cannot get that too much of mustardy flavor. mustard oil flavor, but the taste becomes little different with refined oil if you cook, and with mustard oil if you cook. So, and and the tip uh, to cook with mustard oil is, let it get really hot, like when the fumes come out, you get to know that the oil is really hot. Then only start the preparation. So now I will be frying the potatoes and keep aside. These are boiled potatoes. I'll just fry them both sides little and keep aside. And this is a little like hot preparation. Hot in the sense chili. The hit of chili is there because I'm using green chili paste, fresh green chili paste, and also this one, the dry red chili paste with turmeric. Once the potatoes are really like fried both sides, I will keep them aside. This will be a Sukha preparation. You will see that no water is required to be added, no nothing. Only you have to marinate for at least more than 5 hours, almost 6 hours, and if you have time, do marinate it overnight, like 12 hours. But while marinating for 12 hours, keep it in the refrigerator, not in the freezer, okay, only the refrigerator. And before cooking, take it out about half an hour before cooking, so that it gets to almost normal temperature before cooking. It will be little brownish, these potatoes. These are boiled potatoes. I'm just frying it, and these are done, so I'm keeping them aside. Now friends, I told you I have already marinated this chicken with salt, so only I will add a little salt, just little as per taste, in the hot oil. Because this is also, again I have told you earlier also, this is also again a trick, like if you add little salt in hot oil before adding all the vegetables or chicken piece, or before frying onion, it will not splash so much of oil, hot oil. So now I am adding my marinated chicken directly. I told you I'm not using onion, and all the ginger garlic paste and every masala. Every masala means it has only turmeric powder and little chili powder and dhania powder. That's it. I'm directly adding it to the hot oil. Now sauteing the chicken. These are chicken with bone. Now I am adding the fresh green chili paste. see this much. Now I am adding the red dry chili paste with turmeric. Sauteing it. After giving it a nice stir, now I will be putting the lid on and put the flame in medium and let the chicken cook to perfection. That is the only thing to be done with this recipe. You cannot imagine, it is such an easy recipe. All my recipes are always easy, quick and fast. Delicious, of course. So this is a chicken preparation. You cannot imagine, it is so quick, easy, fast, and no, not much of technicalities, no, nothing. So keeping it in medium flame with the lid on, let the chicken get to perfection. It will be a Sukha chicken. Let's check. See, so much of water has released. So this water needs to evaporate and dry up. In the meantime, I will add the boiled fried potatoes. So the potato will soak the juices from the curry and the chicken is done. You know, it becomes easier, I told you, if you marinate it for a longer duration. So chicken gets done within like very less time. It is done. The preparation is done. It is a very easy chicken sukha with like just bare minimum masalas. So the chicken and everything is already done. Just I'm waiting to get it little dry. That's it. Once it is little dry, it becomes a sukha consistency. It is done. See, it is releasing oil from the side. It is already done. I am adding the powdered garam masala. Stirring it a little. This type of sukha chicken preparation goes well with paratha, naan, kulcha, roti of course, plain tawa roti also. So the preparation is ready. Switching off the flame, keeping it aside, giving it a standing time. In the meantime, going to make the arrangement for plating. Let's start the plating. So it's already yummy, tasty, delicious. For garnish, no tamjham, only thing for flavor. I am just grating some fresh ginger on top. When you get the bite of the fresh ginger along with the chicken preparation, it gives a burst of flavor. Is the final presentation, guys and girls, all my friends. Chicken sukha. Yummy, tasty, delicious, easy, quick. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Simple, foul cooking. Ciao for now. Meet you again in next episode, which comes every Monday.